Hello and welcome back to Mr. Powers Teaches Algebra. In this video, we're going to go over how to use GeoGebra to get this the important information that we would normally get by hand to graph or sketch a graph of a polynomial. And we're doing this so we can check our work. So I'm just going to say P of X. Right now, it's going to be for sketching the graph of this P of X right here on the screen. P of X equals negative x to the fifth. And the way I get to the fifth is by hitting Shift 6 on the keyboard. You can also get that superscript by hitting this button here if you really want to. All right, and then I'm going to arrow over, hit plus 4x cubed. And you'll see in GeoGebra, if we, what's this button? Oh, there's a zoom to fit. That zoom to fit is no good. Don't use it. Never use it. Instead, hit the home button. And we get a pretty decent view. We can zoom in, zoom out if we want. And it looks really good. Now, what I'm going to do is there's this 3 dots here. And if you want, you can get a table of values, which is very useful. And we get special points. Let's get the special points, because that's going to help us really nice. You see right here, first things first, intersect our function with the x-axis. Here are our roots, A, B, C. It's going to point those out, tell us where they are, and then we can click on them as well. There they are. We got those. We had to get our y-intercept. That's right here. Intercept P, y-axis. 0, 0. Already got that. Great. And then it does the extremum. That's something we haven't learned yet, but that's getting us the highest and lowest points in different little areas, right? In this little area here, that's the lowest point. In this little area here, that's the highest point. And so it gets those. But anyway, we don't really need those. But you see, it gives us a lot of really nice points. And if we wanted more points really easily, you can go here, table of values, just hit OK, and it takes us to table. And we can get all these other points. So let's say I want to know, well, what is my y value when x equals 3? And I hit that. It's at negative 135. It's way, way down there. What if I wanted to, that's 2.5. What's that? Not quite as low. Let's say 2.1. There we go. And then it'll pop up on our graph as well. And so there you go. And we have a really good idea of what our graph looks like now. And we can even see, like, it goes through here, but it's got this little curve. That means if we were to factor this, and that's one other thing too, we want to know what our behavior looks like at the roots. This looks like this was a linear factor at x plus 2. This would have been a linear factor at x minus 2, and this would have been a cubic at x, at just x. So that's x cubed. I can tell that just by looking at this, but if I want to double check, again, we can go to the algebra view, and I can type in factor, and then polynomial, and just type P, because I already typed in P of X, and hit enter, and there it is. And it's, oh, I didn't get the negative. I should have known that. The end behavior, it's going up on the left, down on the right, should be negative out there. But anyway, there it is too. So we can see our multiplicity for our roots that way as well. Definitely multiplicity 3 right here. And I could have been wrong. It could have been multiplicity 5. But I guess the more you do this and you look at these, the more intuition you get on that kind of stuff too. So that's it. That's how we can use technology to check our work with these guys. And and if we want to see any other points, like I said, the table gets us all the points we could ever want just by typing in values for x. Okay, that's all I have for you in this one. Until next time, enjoy doing math.